What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the show. My name is Jake Gagan, and thank you for joining me today on the Jake Gagan Show. Guys, we have a very exciting episode because we're going to be talking about Ecomi, the OMI token that was up over 72% on the day. We're going to touch on the futures contracts, the perpetual futures contracts that are going to be launching on AscendX, as well as getting into some speculation from someone in the Twitter community and my thoughts on the exchanges that should be dropping here in May. But if you are part of the Ecomi community and you have diamond hands, do me a favor, smash that like button. If you're new here, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And guys, leave me a comment down below. I get back to all comments within 24 hours. So leave me a comment, guys, down below, and let's go ahead and get into the show. So guys, this is a live look at what's going on with the Ecomi token. So you can go ahead and see that the price is now at 0.0029. When I was looking at this earlier this morning, guys, this was at well over 0.003 and up over 72% on the day, making everybody in the community feel very, very bullish. Now, you look at it all time, guys. Obviously, we have been on a wild roller coaster ride at our high of back on March 30th, I believe was the high. March 19th, 0.0013 was the high, guys. But on the day, guys, we are up over 53% as of today. And these were scary, scary times, guys. Troubling times for a lot of the OMI token holders. But a lot of us have diamond hands. And I would go on to bet that about 95% of us were in the red tremendously as of yesterday, guys. Because the price was at 0.001876. I mean, down below any of us even knew about the OMI token. So it was definitely startling, guys. Obviously, the whole entire crypto space in general was down. So obviously, the OMI token was down as well. But it's encouraging news to see us go up over 53% on the day. And I do believe that this is still early and still getting started. But we're going to touch on what this means for the OMI token because we did see some news come out from AscendX about perpetual futures contracts. So you can go ahead and see right here, guys. This is from the AscendX support page. Exciting launch of new OMI/USDT perpetual futures contracts. Dear users, AscendX will launch perpetual futures contracts for OMI USDT on May 24th at 1:30 p.m. UTC, which has already happened, on web, app, and API. The OMI USDT perpetual futures contract will be denominated and settled in USDT with up to 50 times leverage, guys. And if you don't know anything about perpetual futures contracts, I'll go ahead and link something in the bio. Click that link to learn more because this episode is to share that news. I think that this is bullish news from one of our four exchanges, which is BitMax, aka AscendX, which a lot of people use and a lot of people find valuable. But obviously, guys, another reason for the jump in price might be from this tweet, from this Instagram message, I believe, from David Yu. Rising Data sent him a message and said, when are we getting more exchanges for OMI, David? And he said May in all capital letters. Now, obviously, we're creeping in on time. It is May 24th as of today, so only about 7 days left to get those exchanges. Do I think it's a perfect time to list an exchange? No. Do I think that we should list an exchange? Yes. Do you guys want to hear what my thoughts are on the exchange? I would love to see a KuCoin or a Binance listing, guys. As you know, it's already available on Bitforex, Gate.io, AscendX, and Uniswap, which are four good exchanges. But a KuCoin or a Binance or a Coinbase or a Voyager are more reputable exchanges, guys, and it allows for us to reach more people. I would love to see a KuCoin first. I think that's a good starting point. But you guys, let me know in the comments. I'll get back to all comments within 24 hours. Where do you think we're going to get listed? Do you think it's Binance? Do you think it's KuCoin? Do you think it's Voyager? Let me know in the comments, guys. There's a lot of exchanges out there, and I want to see exactly what the Ecomi community is thinking in terms of exchanges. So those are my thoughts. I would love to see one of those exchanges. I think it would be huge news. Now it's time to address something. There's a person in the Twitter sphere that likes to tweet about Ecomi and spread hype and speculation. I'm all for it. I do it as well. But this guy has been a bad apple for a little while, and he's proven that he has not had reliable sources. And today is another day. I think this is the fifth time that he said that he has incredible news, major announcement for Ecomi team. Everyone should be very proud. And then went back on it. So what is the old J. Cole line? He has George Bush in there. It's like, fool me once, shame on me. Fool me twice, shame on you. Fool me, can't get fooled again. Anyways, fool me 3 times. Anyways, that's J. Cole. But anyways, guys, this is from Indy Kyla. And to be honest, I gave him a chance. We hyped him up one time. We did like a huge live stream about it when he was talking about FIFA, saying that we're going to be getting FIFA. Turns out that was false, so he tweeted again. Wow, we have some exciting breaking news for the OMI family. The news is not to be missed. We trust the sources. We don't even think Ecomi will dismiss our story. Boom. Please be online for 7 p.m. UK time. Remember, 7 days left, David Yu. And then 7 p.m. UK time came, and this was the next week. Bit early, people. Hearing via grapevine that new expected exchange will be one of the small ones. In a few months, big exchange will be lined up. Great news. The whales won't like this. So this is directly from Indy Kyla. And as I mentioned, look, fool me once, shame on me. And he fooled me. Fool me twice, shame on you. I won't even get fooled twice. Like, I won't give that guy the time of day. And I think, the Ecomi community deserves better than people just spreading speculation and empty promises. So we'll wait to hear from the Ecomi team what the news is, what's going to be coming out. We do know that an exchange should be coming out in the next couple of days. Obviously, Dan Crowther said we'll probably get 2 exchanges in May. David, you said that we're definitely going to get an exchange in May. The clock is ticking. I'm patient with these guys. There's a lot going on. There's a huge project that they're running, huge platform. And obviously, it might not be the best time to list. I mean, let me know in the comments. Do you think it's a good time to list or a bad time since the market is down? But we are seeing the price skyrocket, guys, up 50% right now, over 72% on the day, which I am incredibly bullish on. And I don't know if it's because of the Indy Kyla news. I don't know if it's because the futures. I don't know if it's because the OMI token was just so down and a lot of us with diamond hands were loading up. But this is the chart, guys. We were down tremendously. We were really down a ton, guys. It really hurt to be down here yesterday, 0.0018. I know it was tough for a lot of us because a lot of us were down during these times, but it's nice to see some sort of a bounce back, guys. I do believe this is the beginning. My personal opinion, I don't believe that this will be the all-time high for a long, long time. I think we're going to blow through that at some point. Not financial advice, just my personal opinion. But let me know in the comments, guys, what do you think? Do you think that this is our all-time high? Do you think that we're going to rebound from this? Are you still bullish on the Ecomi project? Because I can let you guys know I'm super bullish on this project and this team. I have been for a long time. I think the team is phenomenal. Look, guys, we have 100 licenses that we've already secured today, and I think we've released about 16, 17, or 18, less than 20. So we've only released a fifth of our licenses. We just got out of beta. There's 250,000 people that are using the VeVe app. We're selling out of every drop in a matter of minutes. I mean, guys, these are very, very exciting times. And shout out to everybody that has diamond hands. If you have diamond hands, do me a favor and smash that like button first off. I need to see those likes up to 1,000 because there's thousands of people with diamond hands in the Ecomi community. That's what I saw on Twitter. That's what I'm hearing from the crowd. And that's what I'm seeing with this price reacting accordingly. So smash that like button, guys. And it's just been great to connect with you. Look, cryptocurrency is a tough place to be in because of all the FUD, because of all the rumors, because of the volatility. And this has proved it too. But I've always stood true by 2 quotes, guys. One of them is be greedy when others are fearful and fearful when others are greedy. That's from Warren Buffett. And the other one is, hey, you can't lose money if you don't sell. And that's something that, CZ Binance and Tyler Winklevoss tweeted. And I was like, yeah, that's so true. You got to hold on. You got to be tough. You'll see your portfolio down. My portfolio was down a lot. My portfolio was down a lot in the past couple of days, guys. And just today from my holdings, it was up over 25%. So I'm glad I didn't panic sell. I'm glad that my mom raised me with diamond hands. I got to wear these rings, guys, because my hands are full of diamonds, or else it will just shatter. Got to at least protect my hands from breaking like glass. But anyways, guys, this is the news. Couple exchanges coming in May. I'm not going to hold them to it. I won't get mad if it comes out in June. Hopefully it comes out on June 10th for my birthday. That would be great. But I won't be mad if it doesn't come out in May, guys. We're going to be patient with this project, or at least I will be patient with this project and this team. I'm super bullish on this project and this team. We're talking about the burns. We've had over 5 billion burns happen. 5 billion OMI tokens burned in the past couple of months, guys. As these drops get bigger, as more people come in, as more trades happen in the marketplace and buys happen in the marketplace, we're going to see larger and larger burns. And as you guys know, as supply goes down, demand goes up. So it's exciting times for the OMI community. For all of you guys that are watching this live, thank you for joining. It is a fantastic time to have all of you here. For all of you guys watching at a later time, do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on Twitter at Jake Gagan. I'm more active on Twitter, guys, although I do try to post 1 or 2 YouTube videos a day to get you the breaking news for all the different cryptocurrencies, guys. And today we are talking about the OMI token, up 72% when I checked earlier today. Who knows what the price is at right now when you're watching this video, because I'm recording this at 12:57 p.m. in California, PST. Hopefully it's up. Hopefully it's near half a penny. That would be incredible. Yeah, guys, I'm still bullish on this project, and I'd love to hear in the comments, are you guys bullish too? This is a project and a team that I'm invested in long term. I think I'm still 2 years and 350 days now from thinking about selling an OMI token. So I'm a long-term holder, guys. I'll be here for the long run. And I want to say thank you guys for joining me here today. It is a pleasure as always. New exchanges coming. Indy Kyla, do what you want. I'm not listening to his news. And futures trading on AscendX, guys. Huge news. We will see you all in Vegas at 50 cents. And we'll see you on the moon before then. See you guys.